This is my short video to give you an idea of what you might go through when you order a service contract through one of the big box stores like Lowe's or Home Depot. This particular contractor is through Home Depot, but this is not where I originally started. My first attempt was with Lowe's, because that's the company I do most of my business with. A rep came out to measure and gave me an estimate of just over $1,600, and that would be with a steel door, which would require quite a bit of maintenance. I accepted the contract, but after a month of nothing happening and poor communications, I closed the contract. I decided to try again with Home Depot, but this time there was a $40 charge for someone to come out, measure, and give me an estimate. The Home Depot estimate was a little over $1,200, which was a $400 savings. That was with a Masonite door, which required no maintenance. After signing that deal, I had the same situation with a little delay and poor communication between the company. Eventually it was scheduled, and this particular serviceman came out and handled the situation in 4 hours. I had decided to let them reuse the lock sets from the original door, and one of them I had to replace myself after the fact. So I think the better thing to do is to actually replace all the hardware when you're putting in a new door. Although I'm a very happy customer of both Lowe's and Home Depot, I decided that going through them for a service contract probably wasn't the best idea. I later found out that Home Depot had sent it out to one contractor who subcontracted to this particular contractor. So in essence, I was dealing with two middlemen. The contractor will drill a hole in the top of the frame for you, but you will have to reconnect your own alarm. With the project finished, I just have to decide whether or not to paint it.